Watch. Nursing home residents rescued from China floods. Rescue workers were deployed to help dozens of residents of a Beijing nursing home in chest-high water. At least 30 people have been killed in floods that have inundated large parts of northeastern China. More than 80,000 people have been relocated from their homes after more than 543.4 millimeters, 21.4 inches, of rain fell in areas around Beijing over recent days. Chinese leader Xi Jinping has ordered an all-out search and rescue effort to minimize casualties.